Yo, what's up, guys? This is Crypto Komet coming at you with another video. The other day I made a video in my Jeep. This was yesterday, so today I'm doing it again, just so you guys can understand how the trade that I'm locked in today, I put it in yesterday. All right, or the night, maybe it was like, it wasn't yesterday I put it in, maybe it was the night. It was before sunrise yesterday I put that trade in, let's just say that. All right, anyway. When I made the video, I told you guys that I was in the negative. Well, my trade is no longer in the negative, all right? Mind you, I didn't trade with a lot of money. I literally put like maybe 40 bucks, 30 something bucks, right? And now the trade is actually in the green, right? Why is it in the green? Well, let me show you why it is in the green, all right? If you look closely, you will see that Bitcoin, you see this candlestick right here, it jumped to the top of the Bollinger Bands. All right, we had a bullish cross on the MACD. You see right here we had a bullish cross, right? And we also had a bullish cross on the stochastic RSI right here, and we're going up. All right, so we're looking like we're going to keep going up for a minute, okay? And we're at the top of the Bollinger Band. We had a good little squeeze, and so it's breaking out, right? And we're going to the top of this triangle pattern that I drew, okay? So, of course, you know, I'm now in profit. I only traded with like 37 bucks, and so I'm in profit like $6 maybe, which is great because it's not about the money, it's about the percentage. And I caught a 15-16% trade. If you throw in like $1,000, you just made like 150 something bucks maybe, right? The bigger the amount you put in, the more you make. All right, this trade for me was to prove to myself that I can make money regardless of the amount you give me. You feel me? If I make what, $5 in what, 30 days, right? That's $150 a month. $5 a day, right? So you could just think of that, you work small and think big, right? That's how this works. All right, now granted, I trade with bigger amounts of money, but it's okay to challenge yourself to do different things. All right, you want to test your strategies and test until you know for a fact that your strategy is going to work. It's a proven strategy, because after so much test, after so many tests, like after so much evidence, when does it just become truth, right? So because I've tested this strategy over and over and over again with small amounts of money, and every time I'm in profit, all I got to do now is add a big amount of money and do the same exact thing that I've been doing over and over. And that's the whole key to trading. You create a setup, you create a formula, and you stick to that formula every time. Every time you're not going to make money, right? But let's say you do 5 trades. 2 out of 5 of those trades, you could get 2 good trades, 3 good trades, and fail 2 ones. You still made money that day. You feel me? But it's all about risk management. So you want to create strategies and test them out with small amounts of money, or you can use demo accounts. Me personally, I don't use demo accounts. I've been doing crypto for 12 years, guys. I trade with real money all the time. You know what I mean? So it has to be money. But the thing about that is I've lost a lots amount of money, and I've also made a lot of money. So when you're trading, think of risk management first. All right, risk management comes first. Stop losses. All right, you do not always have to use a stop loss. All right, you do not always have to, but you need to look at the setup, and you need to, the question in your mind, look, man, when you have a trade, all right, when you have a trade, I'm gonna drop a couple gems for you guys. When you have a trade, you need to have rules. The first thing you need to look at when you go into a trading setup, how does this trend look? All right, is the trend bullish or is it bearish in the long run? I mean, we zoom out, look on the monthly scale, yearly scale, whatever, weekly scale, and you need to see if it's going trading down or if it's trading up. All right, because when you zoom in, it's going to look super volatile, and you're going to be like, oh, you're going to think, oh, I can make some money, or you're going to think, oh shit, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So zoom out for a second and look at the entire trend. That's the first thing. How does the trend look? The second thing is, what is the setup? All right, third thing is, how do I manage risk? You want to manage risk, all right? Fourth thing is, what is my entry point and what is my exit point? And the fifth thing is, how do I extract the most profit? All right. So 1, how does the trend look? Is it bullish or bearish? 2, what is the setup? So what tools are you going to use? What platform are you going to use? Do you have a brainstorming ideas of what kind of trend lines? You know, what is your setup? All right. Number 3, how do I manage my risk? Am I going to use stop loss? Right? Am I going to do a conditional order? Right? Where I can make money whether it goes up or down. Right? Number 4 is, what is your entry and exit point? After you figured out your first 3 things, you want to look at what is the entry and exit point, where you're going to enter into the market and when are you going to exit. It's just as important to figure out your exit, your take profit, as well as your entry. All right, because the markets move so damn fast, you're not always going to be able to get in there as quick as you want. All right, some people do, some people don't. But if you look at the percentages of traders, I believe it's something like only like 5% of traders make money, maybe less, something like that. You know what I mean? So that means everyone ain't making money here. You feel me? So you need to know what you're doing when you get in. You need to have your entry, your exit. You need to know the trend, how the trend looks. You need to have your setup. You need to know how you're going to manage risk. All right. Last but not least, how do I extract the most profit? All right. When we're looking at extracting the most profit, you're thinking to yourself, you need to think to yourself, I need to use minimal amount of money to gain maximum amount of profit. All right. So we're talking about leverage trading here. You know what I mean? We're talking about having a clear set plan of what you're going to do when you enter into the markets with your strategy. All right, you always want to have a strategy, guys. Me personally, I have a little notebook. I'm filling it up right now. I got plenty more. No, this is a new one, so I got a lot of empty pages, but I also got up in the front, I got a lot of pages. I've been writing, bro, back and front, back and front, back and front, you know. But I've got like a library of crypto notes. You feel me? I've completed crypto courses. I am certified in crypto, guys. I completed Michael Saylor's Bitcoin development course. All right. I also completed his Bitcoin for Everybody course. These are college accredited programs offered by Michael Saylor that are free. So I would recommend checking those things out, guys. It teaches you a lot about Bitcoin. I've been in it 12 years now. All right, I've made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. I've been able to fund my lifestyle so far on cryptocurrency. All right, I'm not financially rich yet, but I am rich in knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. You feel me? I am rich spiritually, mentally, and physically. And because of it, I've been able to maximize my money. And in this bull cycle, I'm about to maximize it a lot more, guys. All right. I mean, now we're talking about trading here, but let's talk a little bit about mining. All right. When you enter into crypto, you should have a foolproof strategy. Okay. You need to think of multiple ways to make money in crypto. There's so many different ways, guys. All right. I have chosen 3 ways. Number 1, I am buying and HODLing Bitcoin, aka holding. HODLing means holding on for dear life. Okay. Holding on for dear life. There was a typo when someone wrote hold and spelled it HODL, H-O-D-L, hold on for dear life. So you need to be buying your Bitcoin and you need to be HODLing it. That term caught on. Now we call it HODLing. So you need to HODL your Bitcoin, buy and hold. All right, when you do that, you can gain money from this, okay? Long term, Bitcoin has gone up, all right, over time. Like Bitcoin went from this to now it's over 100,000. You feel me? I think today it's something like 90-something thousand, but yeah, we went to like what, $106,000, right? And it's not done yet, guys. We're still at the beginning, all right? So HODLing is one way I'm going to do it. Number 2, I am trading. All right. So what I'm showing you guys now, me practicing my trading, me testing, I'm making money, guys, trading as well as making money, HODLing, buying and holding. All right. All right. Then the last way you want to make your money in crypto is by mining. If you can get your hands on some miners, guys, it will allow you to sleep a lot easier at night, because all you got to do is plug them up and they start creating, they start solving algorithms and converting your electricity into Bitcoins for you. All right. Imagine a giant Bitcoin, right? Worth 100 grand, and your miner just chipping off pieces of it, little pieces, and putting it in a wallet for you. And every little piece of that they chip off is fluctuating in value, getting bigger and bigger and bigger over time. And the more you get, the more of a Bitcoin you have and the more money you make. All right. So mining HODLing and trading Bitcoin. All right, that's the way to do it, guys. You don't want to miss out on the great wealth transfer, as I said yesterday. Okay, right now we're in the digital gold rush. The digital gold rush. You hear me? I'm gonna make another video on the digital gold rush, but guys, you don't want to miss out. We went through the gold rush before. Now it's digital. Get your Bitcoin, get your Casper, get your Ethereum. Hell, I'm not one to get meme coins, but meme coins are also making money. All right, remember, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. The old systems are dying. If you hold on to what we leave behind, you won't know what lies ahead. And I'm telling you, what lies ahead is tremendous. We're going digital, guys. We're going digital. Everything is changing. 6 years from now, don't say that you weren't warned, all right? Believe it or not, you're still early. You're still early. You're not too late. Buy, hodl, trade, mine. It's simple. There's also people who hire. You can go to a website called cryptojobs.com. There are people who are hiring in crypto jobs. All types of stuff. Secretaries, engineers, all types of stuff, guys. You never know, you might find something. So I would definitely recommend checking out. But until then, this is Crypto Command. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you got any questions, hit me up. All right. Peace out.